Then it's leaving. Goodbye, bye. Goodbye, bye.
Make us see you say bye bye. Okay, down. Mommy. God. What?
Oh my god.
What?
Hey, since you're recording me, tell all
Take
your
off your boots.
follow me on Instagram at Young Walk Teether.
The bad guy's standing. What? The bad guy's standing. Come on, bad guy.
Where's Mr. Alex?
Green crackers. What? Look
That's
at
Is this my euro?
That's
mine.
David,
That's mine.
and then some of that on the floor is yours.
That's not even euros.
And they've been taking care of the blinds, doing each and every blind, taking care of this out here. This one hasn't been done yet, but that's what they're gonna do. They're gonna take care of all of that. So, it's a big, big crew in here today. I just walked up this walkway for the very last time. I am coming in to meet the cleaners to get a few spots cleaned, as well as the spiders moved in the other day. So we gotta clean out the spiders, get some spots off of the floor and off of the wall. And in about an hour and a half, I'll be turning over the keys to the apartment manager. So while I am here, I will also do the last day's check of the mail on this rainy day. Weston Lee. Let's see, is there any last mail? Oh, there is. The newspaper. Oh, some mail that got David's name on it. Okay, you see me for the last time. So it is checking time, and they are even pulling out the awnings to make sure that the awnings got cleaned, as well as a military check of in between the blinds and the railings. So we must make sure that it is very, very, very clean. So the kitchen just got done being inspected, and the freezer was not defrosted, so that is a problem, but the cleaning people have to come back and fix that. Then the 3 racks were cracked, so of course I would expect to be charged for that. Then there's rings around the eyes of this, I think we are still trying to figure out if we have to pay for this or not. So this stuff right here, the cleaning lady is going to try to take care of that right now. What else happens here in the kitchen? They were looking very, very deeply at the sink and in the drawers. So the stopper is stuck because the dishwasher is backed up. So of course we might have to pay for that because that might be a repair that due to our grease and oils. Let's see, so they opened up the drawers and they were looking really hard into the corners. Cleaning ladies at work. And then they came, and surprisingly, they didn't say anything about this seal being broken. I won't say it too loudly so she don't come back and charge me. Then in the cabinets, they were checking every corner in the drawers. And so now our housing officer is around the corner seeing what else is being said. I will join you again later. So there is a question about these white spots on the windowsill. I don't know what it is, but of course it wasn't here when we moved in. So our housing manager is going to try to figure out, do we have to pay for it or not? But we had nothing there. Like, this stuff is perfectly spaced out where it looks like maybe someone put like plants there or whatever, but we had nothing there. So I don't know if this came from water and rain and snow or whatever, but it didn't come from us. So this is a question. If you look up from the awnings, if the awnings are not out and it's raining, it's possible that some water can get there. But if you look down here where there is no awning, that white spot is not there. So simultaneously, the cleaning service is on the phone and they're trying to figure out, is this something that they need to try to clean, because this is part of the service that we paid for. So do we pay for this? Do the cleaners come back and clean it, or what? Welcome to Switzerland, people. There's still a little bit of grime on the inside of the toilet. There's, I don't know, there's something inside of the soap. Oh, right here, there's some stuff inside of the soap dish. So when you step back from the toilet, you know, and you zoom, you probably might clean that. I don't know. Then he was able to find some more ashes in the fireplace. I guess it came from in there. Look at the beetle trying to move in. So somewhere, but it's pretty clean otherwise. But somewhere they found ashes. And doing the same in the other bathroom. I saw some of what he said to her. Some stuff her, and then the same thing with the soap dishes. These filters, I guess they need to be new, I guess. And that's all I caught. I didn't get the rest of it. But yeah, it looks clean, but oh, I think this is it. This is it right here on this rack, if you can see that.